Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video I will show you how to install Sublime Text and the latest version Sublime Text 4. So to do this, just go to the Google Chrome browser and type here Sublime Text 4 and then just click here download Sublime Text and check the operating system. Like I have Windows, so I'm clicking on Windows and start downloading. So now double click on it and check yes, click next, install and click on finish. Now type here Sublime, and as you can see we have installed it successfully. Now click on it and this is the Sublime Text. Here you can write code or whatever you want to write. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.